From Plymouth State University, PM Weather with student meteorologist Norman Shippey.
Good evening, Plymouth, and welcome to another edition of PM Weather. I'm student meteorologist Norman Shippey. Happy Halloween to everyone out there, and let's jump right in and take a look at our almanac. We see 59 degrees today for a high. Our normal high is 51, so we're a little bit above that. 32 degrees for our low this morning. We're a little bit above that with 28 is our normal low, but we still saw some frost on the cars this morning, and we did not record any precipitation today. Sun rose this morning at 7:21 a.m. and set this evening at 5:39 p.m. And our moon is at 68% and waning, meaning we're heading away from a full moon. Temperature outside right now, 59 degrees, our dew point 41 degrees, and our relative humidity is 51%. Our winds are light and variable, and our sea level pressure is at 30.13 inches and falling rapidly. Around the region right now, we see 36 degrees in Mount Washington and some clouds starting to peek in here. 63 down towards Concord, 63 down in Boston, 62 down in Providence, and pretty much an area of 60s all around the Northeast. This will change a little bit tomorrow. We're going to see some 50s tomorrow, but right now, very, very nice outside. Around the U.S., we see 50s and 60s in the Northeast, 70s as you get down towards Carolina, and 80s down in Florida. On the West Coast, though, we only see 40s for daytime highs today. And this area up here in Canada, we're only seeing 30s, and this air is looking to come right over us over the next few days. Our surface analysis right now, we see mild temperatures for us, and this is kind of moving in our direction for at least the next 24 hours. We're going to see some mild temperatures, but see this cold front here attached to this low pressure system has some pretty chilly air behind it. That's where we see those 30s and 20s for daytime highs up in Canada. And this air is going to start to move over us and give us some cold temperatures over the next few days. So as the time progresses here, we're going to see that cold air swing through here, kind of moderate a little bit towards the weekend, but then the end of the weekend, we're going to have to start worrying about this low pressure system right here. It's going to try to swing through and bring us a shot of cold air once again. Looking at our satellite and radar right now, though, we see a little bit of precipitation with this low pressure system, but in general, not very much precipitation at all. We see more clouds associated with it than any type of rainfall. And on the western coast, you can see those high clouds starting to move in there. That's that other low pressure system. But other than that, around the U.S., we're pretty quiet. All the rest that you see on here is ground clutter, and there's no real clouds around the region. Tonight's lows, though, we can expect some 20s behind that punch of cold air back here, and that's pretty chilly. And 30s as you get out towards Illinois. We'll be down into the 40s tonight. So we're not going to be as cold as we were last night down in the 30s, but 40s is okay with me. We see some 50s as we get down towards Louisiana. And look at Texas, though. We're seeing quite a temperature gradient here with 50s on the coastline and 30s as you get back towards the panhandle of Texas. Tomorrow's highs, see this area in here, they're only going to be in the 40s tomorrow up in Michigan and Wisconsin. We'll be up into the 50s tomorrow. We're not going to get as warm as we were today, but we'll still be pretty warm. 60s in southern New England and 70s as you get down towards the Carolinas. And tomorrow night's lows, look at this area of 20-degree temperatures extending all the way across Canada. This is poised to come to us this weekend, but we're going to get down into the 30s tomorrow night. You see 30s extending across most of the country down into Texas. Precipitation for tonight, maybe a chance of a snow shower up in Michigan, but other than that, we don't really see any precipitation in our region. And we also see some fog along the eastern coast. We might see some fog along the river again. Other than that, down towards Florida, that's the only other place where we'll see some rain. Chance of some thunderstorms associated with Tropical Storm Noel, but that's starting to move out to sea and we're not going to have to worry about that. Tomorrow we see the same type of picture. The showers and thunderstorms associated with Noel are starting to move out to sea. We might see a passing shower tomorrow afternoon, but other than that, we will be pretty much nice and clear outside. With the passage of that cold front, we'll start to see some clouds in the afternoon, though. And out in the California area, we have some poor air quality and some smoke that we have to worry about with the fires that are still burning out there. And going into tomorrow night, we don't really see any precipitation other than a chance of thunderstorms in the Carolinas. So your PSU forecast for tonight, we see mostly clear, trick or treat outside, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and our winds will be from the south at about 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow we see sunny early with a chance of afternoon showers, high of 57. Our low will be about 32. Could get a little bit cooler tomorrow night. Northwest winds from about 5 to 10 miles per hour. In your PSU extended outlook, we see Friday mostly sunny and cool, 48 for a high, 26 for a low. Saturday cool and sunny, 53 for a high, 27 for a low. And Sunday sunny and cooler, we see 47 for a high and 29 for a low. We here at PM Weather want to know what you think, so visit our new PM Weather website at vortex.plymouth.edu/TV. You can learn all about us student meteorologists here on PM Weather and take our viewer survey, and the first 100 households will receive a free Plymouth State meteorology sticker, so don't miss this opportunity. And happy Halloween to everyone out there. I'm student meteorologist Norman Shippey. Enjoy your evening.